Thank you for joining me for this week's guided meditation. As we find our center, creating a sacred space within, rooting into calm, and alchemizing any chaos present. Take a moment to get comfortable, settling into a space where you can fully let go. Close your eyes and start to breathe in deeply, letting the breath be gentle and natural. Allow yourself to be here right now, choosing presence and peace. With each breath, feel yourself arriving, releasing any sense of urgency or pressure. Let every exhale be an invitation to soften, to release, to return. In this moment, nothing else is required of you but to simply be. Let each breath ground you deeper into this sacred, quiet space within. Feel the earth beneath you, steady and unmoving. Allow yourself to tune in to the strength of the earth, letting her hold you, letting her remind you that you are supported, you are anchored, no matter what energy is swirling around you. Bring your awareness to the soles of your feet, imagining roots extending from them, traveling deep into the earth through layers of soil, stone, and rock, anchoring you into the very heart of our Earth Mother. Feel the solid, calming energy beneath you. Let it fill you with peace, like a steady pulse of grounding energy. Now breathe in deeply, filling your body with stability. With each inhale, invite a sense of calm, a sense of steadiness. And as you exhale, release any stress, any anxiety, anything that feels heavy or misaligned. With each breath, allow yourself to feel more rooted, more secure. Imagine a golden light flowing from the center of the earth, rising up through those roots you've grown, flowing into the soles of your feet. Feel this grounding energy begin to travel up through your legs, your spine, filling your torso, and finally reaching your heart center. This light is warm, steady, ancient. It's a reminder that you are part of something so much bigger, something timeless and whole. Breathe in this light, letting it fill every cell in your body. radiating out through your heart. Feel it bringing peace, strength, and unwavering calm. This energy is yours to access anytime, any place, as an anchor, as a home within yourself. As you sit in this rooted, calm space, let yourself acknowledge any areas of tension, fear, or unrest within you. Notice if there's a place in your body where it feels heavy or tight. Without judgment, simply observe. These energies are part of your journey. They come, they transform, they are released. Now imagine that with each inhale, you're drawing in pure golden light from the earth. And with each exhale, you're releasing these heavier energies. See the tension, the chaos, dissolve as you breathe. Each exhale alchemizing these feelings into light, into peace, into love. Picture yourself as an alchemist, breathing in calm, breathing out light, transforming anything heavy or misaligned into clarity, presence, and peace. Feel the light within you growing brighter, stronger, as you continue to alchemize, creating a field of radiant peace around you. Bring your awareness now to the top of your head, your crown chakra, and envision a soft, luminous light descending from above. This is source energy, divine energy. Feel it gently entering your body, filling you with clarity, love, and higher understanding. Let this energy meet the grounding light from the earth, and notice how these energies intertwine within you, balancing and aligning. With each inhale, feel yourself drawing in this wisdom, this infinite support from Source, merging with the strength of the earth's energy within you. With each breath, you become a bridge between earth and sky, holding both peace and possibility, grounded in calm, centered in power. Trust that you are safe, you are guided, that there is a sacred energy within you that knows exactly how to navigate these times. You have access to this power anytime you need it, a steady presence within you. As you sit in this sacred space of grounding and light, allow yourself to become aware of a gentle presence drawing near you. This is one of your many spirit guides. Trust that this presence is here to support you, to offer guidance, to remind you of the deeper wisdom within you. Picture this being of light standing beside you, radiating love, compassion, and clarity. Take a moment to observe how this presence feels, how comforting and familiar it is. Allow yourself to fully relax in their presence, knowing you are safe and deeply supported. Now, in this silence of your heart, ask any question that you may be holding, or simply invite them to share any message or guidance that serves your highest good in this moment. Breathe deeply and listen, allowing any words, images, feelings, or sensations to gently arise. Trust in what comes, knowing that this guidance is exactly what you need now. When you're ready, thank this presence for their guidance, for being with you on your journey. Know that you can call on them anytime, that their support is always available to you. Take a deep breath. Breathe in. And as you hear the following words, repeat silently to yourself, feeling the resonance of every message. I am grounded in calm and clarity. I am an alchemist of light, transforming all that I encounter into peace. I am connected to Source, and I am guided with every step. I invest my energy in creating a world of peace, love, and harmony. I am steady. I am rooted. I am free. Feel these words anchoring within you, each one settling deeper, like seeds planted in fertile soil, ready to grow and bloom. As we begin to close, bring your awareness back to your breath, letting each inhale remind you of the strength within you, and each exhale of the peace you carry. Wiggle your fingers and toes, grounding yourself back into the present moment, carrying this calm, rooted energy within you. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes, bringing with you a renewed sense of calm, clarity, and deep knowing that you are always supported, no matter what energies surround you. You are grounded, you are powerful, and you are a radiant alchemist of peace. peace. Namaste.